Welcome to our lesson on mindfulness for emotional regulation. In this video, we'll explore techniques to help you manage and navigate through your emotions using mindfulness practices. Emotional regulation involves recognizing, processing, and responding to emotions in a healthy manner. Mindfulness serves as a powerful tool in this process by fostering awareness and control over emotions. Mindfulness enables us to observe our emotions without being overwhelmed by them. It allows us to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively to challenging feelings. Let's begin with a foundational practice. Using mindful breathing to ground yourself during moments of heightened emotions. Take a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Inhale deeply, counting to 4, and exhale slowly, counting to 6. As you continue breathing, observe your emotions without judgment. Notice where you feel the emotions in your body without reacting. Use your breath as an anchor. With each inhale and exhale, bring your focus back to the present moment. Calming the intensity of your emotions. Now let's practice a body scan to heighten awareness. How emotions manifest physically in the body. Lie down comfortably. Start from your toes, gradually moving up. Notice any tension, discomfort, or sensations in each part of your body. As you scan, observe areas where emotions reside. Accept these sensations without attempting to change them, acknowledging their presence. Direct your breath toward areas of emotional tension. Inhale deeply, imagining your breath soothing and releasing any emotional discomfort. Next, let's explore observing emotions from a detached perspective. Gain insight and control over their impact. Visualize yourself as an observer of your emotions. Notice them as passing clouds in the sky, neither clinging nor resisting. Practice accepting emotions without attaching narratives. Release the urge to judge or dwell on the emotions, allowing them to naturally dissipate. Return your focus to the present moment. Engage in an activity or focus on your surroundings to shift attention away from intense emotions. Consistent practice of these mindfulness techniques fosters emotional regulation. Integrate them into your daily routine for improved emotional well-being. As we conclude our exploration of mindfulness for emotional regulation, remember that practicing these techniques empowers you to navigate emotions with clarity and control. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it. Stay tuned for more enlightening content.